thank His Excellency the President, who gave us these directives. And, we are here. Our exercise is very simple: to implement his directives that he gave to the Minister of Forestry, called the PA, so that as we attain the city status of our county, Meru County, Meru City, there are components that are required, and among them is the airstrip. It is a component that is needed for a city to attain, for us to attain a city status. Secondly, to have a golf course. The elders of Jorincheke, who are the caretakers of our forest and the general environment, have been agitating for this for the longest time. And now that God gave us this, privilege of getting the hearing of His Excellency the President and granted these requests, it's such a privilege that we have as a community to have a golf course that will be a place for recreation for us, and also a tourist attraction for our visitors who are coming from outside Meru, and also for ourselves. And thirdly, to set aside land for state launch, a place where we can be proudly be hosting His Excellency the President and his entourage in our county, even as we attain these prestigious city status.
We feel happy and proud that now we can come here confidently, have discussions and fruitful discussions, and in an atmosphere which is peaceful and which is conducive for this type of business. The fact that also I can call you at Asasida Yauziku and you answer my calls, it's a great honor. Where we sit, and I'll say this one, where we sit, we have a lot of opportunities and a lot of things which we know sometimes they're happening. And everybody at that level would want to call his governor. Kuna kitu hapa, can you do something? And sometimes when now that call is received warmly, you make a team and move forward. No wonder we are able to get these things within a very short time. We don't take it for granted because we have an experience. But that we say that is past, now we are where we are. And you reminded the president about these things. That time I was in Meru. That was about 2 weeks ago. About 2 weeks ago. And I think he called me in your presence and he told me to immediately grant that, the request for golf course, the request for airstrip, and at the same time also we look at the land that we got for state launch. How do we align? We align the three facilities, and I promised him, that is a command which is so possible that you want to hear. I told him within a week, Your Excellency, I will do that. We were supposed to do it Friday, but on Friday we were not able. By coincidence, today he called me to ask me, have I finished that work? Wow. Today he did that. Wow. And I told him, I'm in Meru, going to meet the governor and the nation will meet in order to execute that. So, Your Excellency, I am here today so that we, as Meru people, say this is where we want these facilities to be. Sure. We have our surveyor here, who we are going to leave behind to work with the surveyors and make it a reality.